Yeah. This kid will say, spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit.
Who said that, Fat?
The girl when you were watching.
The girl that I was watching?
Yeah.
Where were you when I was watching the girl? You way in there ear hustling about what I'm watching.
Spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit, spin that shit.
Shalom, shalom. I want to give all honor, glory, and praise to our power, Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushua, Bahashem, Rikah Kwadash. Double honors to the elder apostles of GMS for teaching us the truth and sincerity. And salutations to the hopeful elect. What you see on the screen, right, is a clear indication of what happens when the father is not in the home. And that could be for various reasons, but this is the point why we need the father in the home. Because of stuff like this, right? I just want to get a few scriptures and then clock out, man. Because this is madness, man. And these are the times, man. This is the time we're in. When parents are losing their way and they're trying to befriend their children. They're trying to be friends of the children. Because there's no way this kid is probably, let's say, 2-3 years old. There's no reason for him to be speaking in that manner in front of his mother. He shouldn't even know the words to that song. But these are the things that happen when there's no dad in the home. So, right, we get a few scripts and we out of here. I'm botching up my spelling crazy. This is crazy. It's yes. This is the book of Jeremiah 4:22. It says, "For my people is foolish. They have not known me. They are sottish children, and they have none understanding. They are wise to do evil, but to do good they have no knowledge." And that's because our people, always shrug their shoulder, pull away. They never want to listen to reason. They don't want wisdom. And they hate knowledge, man. And they hate the truth. And they hate God. They hate our power. You know what I'm saying? Right? I'm Salaki. I'm sorry. I was trying to get a scripture. Let me see something. Right, real quick. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Let's see. Right. This is right, that's Job 39 and 17. Maybe pull that up. And 17, right? It says, this is the book of Job 39 and 17. It says, because power, God, hath deprived her of wisdom, neither have he imparted to her understanding. So this is why she's crumbling and having issues with raising a boy. Because she can't teach a boy how to be a man under no circumstances. Because she has no wisdom, nor do she have understanding. You know, she's a reactional person. And it's horrible, man, because Eve is supposed to be a helpmate to us, man. And it's truth. But she made her decision in the garden when she accepted the deceiver's way of thought and came back and brought that back to the village. You know, she brought that dead knowledge back to the village, man. And let's get that and get out of here. You know. What? That's crazy. It's lucky. It's in the book of Sirach, Salaki. Last one, Salaki. I know him. All right, here we go. Shalakia. This is Sirach 25 and 24. It says, of the woman came the beginning of sin, and through her we all die. And with that, I want to give all honor, or glory, or praise to our power, Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahushua, Bahashim, Kahal. Double honors to the elder apostles and GMS, teaching us its truth and sincerity. And salutations to the hopeful elect. Shalom, Israel.